May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and the Meridian Police Department is taking action. To help shine a light on mental health needs in the community, Meridian PD unveiled a new highly visible patrol car today. And tonight, we talk with their crisis intervention team addressing an increasing number of mental health emergency calls made up of 2 specially trained police officers and a mental health professional. Our Anna Zalian rides along with the team in tonight's Finding Hope.
Finding Hope, sponsored by North Point Recovery.
Soon, this patrol car will hit the roads asking people to stop the stigma surrounding mental health. And some of the officers who will be driving this car respond to mental health emergencies every day, working to get people who are struggling the help they need. Meridian Police Officer Ashley Horvath is one of 2 police officers on the crisis intervention team, a position she says she sought out in part because of a loved one who died by suicide.
When you get the phone call, you're like, wait, what? I think it was shocking.
Ashley never thought suicide would impact someone within her circle of friends, especially not this friend.
But the friend was somebody who was very happy-go-lucky,
Now, Ashley spends her days as part of Meridian Police Department's crisis intervention team, a group of 2 specially trained police officers and a mental health professional who respond to those experiencing a mental health crisis and work to get them help.
Your incident has been updated.
Mental health coordinator Sam Lukey came to Meridian PD from the Department of Health and Welfare, where he was part of their mental health response team. This team often works with area police departments on calls, so he's been working with Meridian Police for years. What makes his new position different, though, is this.
I'm working directly with law enforcement. I'm on the team, and so there's no, waiting for law enforcement to arrive. I arrive with them.
Having him there already has helped helped us help people a lot faster and actually more intently than I think even before, when it was just Ashley and I.
Attach me to 9 Mary 11's call and clear 9152.
Recently, there's been a conversation nationally about how to best respond to mental health emergencies.
Does it fall under police matters? And I think for years we've been responding to it because who else is going to respond to it?
But many have suggested that social workers or mental health professionals should respond instead. In the Treasure Valley, it's been a combination of the 2 responding, through agencies like Meridian Police that have a mental health professional employed, or with the help of the Department of Health and Welfare.
But I think we each play a really important role. Sam can come in with his clinical expertise and say, hey, this is what I'm seeing, this is what I'm hearing, this is my concerns.
And the police officers on the team come in with different expertise to find the best response to keep the individual and the community safe, especially if there are weapons involved.
A majority of our calls don't necessarily start with, hey, this person is armed with. It does happen, and I can't say it's not frequent enough that it's not a concern, because it does happen on a pretty regular basis, but it's not like every single call we're going to is that.
Ashley says a police officer is also necessary for these calls in Idaho because of laws surrounding involuntary mental health holds. This is when police or certain healthcare professionals send an individual to the hospital to receive help for their mental health when they're not willing to get help on their own. This focus from the Meridian Police Department comes at a time when the need is increasing.
Call volume for the hotline is still increasing. It's hard to say whether that's pandemic or whether that's Idaho's population growing or a bunch of different factors.
Everyone goes through rough times, and sometimes we need a little extra help. And what that looks like for one person may be very different than another person.
And on our website, idahonews6.com, you'll find information about the best way to contact the crisis intervention team and other mental health resources. Anna Zalian, Idaho News 6.